The expansion in ocean freight reflects that of world trade. In the middle of this non-stop procession of ships with impressive tonnages, Singapore is an important hub and has a major operator, PSA. The Port of Singapore Authority manages one of the world's largest container transshipment networks, with connections to 600 ports globally. Close to 40 million containers transit through here every year, and the number is constantly growing. This record growth motivated PSA to design a new generation port, entirely automated and run with an AGV fleet, automated guided vehicles. Battery-powered, these vehicles lower CO2 emissions for port operations and can carry 65-ton loads at 25 kilometers an hour. For this revolutionary fleet, PSA asks Stäubli's help for two essential operations: fast charging for battery packs and their automated replacement. To recharge, Stäubli's quick charging connection or QCC solution and patented multi-lamp contact technology are used. This entirely automated process provides guidance for alignment and touch protection, ensuring complete safety. After less than 20 minutes of charging time, the AGVs can operate continuously for an additional 4 to 5 hours. To quickly change battery packs for maintenance, the Stäubli Multi-Connect system, known as MCS, centralizes all energy sources, both fluid and electric. Connection and disconnection occur in one single movement. Downtime is reduced and vehicles in the fleet are always available. PSA chose Stäubli technology both for its reliability and its ability to function in the demanding outdoor conditions of a port environment. This new, entirely automated port will further strengthen PSA's leadership in port logistics.